All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So by, yeah. Who did what, or where something is from, or how something happened. This book is by me. This lesson is by me. By me to you. By me to you. Yeah. How cool is that? It was written by me. They went there by train. I got to Scotland by car. I went to Mexico by plane. Yeah. We went to France by boat. By boat. By boat. On the sea, on the boat. Yeah. We went to Gibraltar, or Spain even. Spain by train. Train. Yes. How we got there. How something happened. By train. By car. You know, who did what? By me. Yes. So, I went there by car. She did not go there by car. He wanted to go there by car. He wanted. She did not. I did. I was. Yeah. They were here by his orders, by his command. Command, yeah. Yeah. It is only here by chance. By chance. By chance. Let's have a look. Just chance. Yeah, just by chance. That's it. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. So he got there by car. I can be done by writing more. So I got here by my ambition. This lesson was organized by me. Yeah. Organized, imagined, planned, and recorded. How cool is that? It will be finished by them instead. They will send it by post. These books are by me. These books are by me. Yeah. But this book is not by me. This book is by Bastiat. Yeah. How cool is that? This book is not by me. Not by me. Yeah. But this lesson is by me. From me. Yeah. And step by step, we get better. Yeah, step by step. Step by step, I improve. Little by little, I get better. Little by little, I get better. Yeah, a little by little, bit by bit, my Spanish improves. Yeah, bit by bit, my Spanish gets better. How cool is that, language explorers? Yes. So, by. So can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.